has been one of my most highly requested videos, and it is all about if you are a mama walking through the parking lot with one or two or multiple kids and somebody startles you, maybe at your car. I wanted to give you my top tips for how to handle that situation. So let's say you are with your kids walking around, either outside or in a store. I want you to always think about having a very special word, one word, where that word means there's danger around and they need to come right to you and grab onto your legs or grab onto you somehow, okay? Grab your hand, whatever it may be. So a lot of times, obviously, when your kids are acting up and they're in public, a lot of times we say, get over here, and all the things we say, right? Well, a lot of times they ignore us, right? We need to have that one word that if we say that, their immediate response is to come at you, right? And connect themselves to you. And the reason being is, let's just say you notice a creepy guy that's by one of them, and you don't want to alert and say, hey, there's a creepy guy right by you, you got to come here. You need to have that one word that is going to be your trigger word for your family, that everybody comes together, okay? So have that one very special word. If they're young kids that you have, practice it, make it fun, make that a fun drill, but you have to have that one very special word that if you say that word and you never say the word otherwise, that is when they come towards you. The second thing is, and this is brilliant, somebody just told me this recently, that they actually taught their kids when they're putting the kids in the car to look around the vehicle also and let her know if someone's walking in their direction. So they say, Mommy, somebody's walking in our direction. And she made a fun game out of it to get them to understand to do that. But that was absolutely a very, very special technique that she actually got herself out of a bad situation because one of her children alerted her. The third thing is, if you have your multiple children and somebody startles you, the first thing you need to do is put your back to the vehicle and put your children right behind you and teach them to do that. So if you say that secret word by the car, that is what they go do. They go put their backs to the vehicle. And the reason being, with sex trafficking, what it is, multiple people are usually involved, multiple attackers, and what will happen is one will distract you and one will come up behind and grab the child. So it's so extremely important to put the children behind you so you can see everyone around you, okay? Also, obviously, always having your self-defense tool that can handle somebody from a distance. So if you're sitting here and your children are behind you, you get out your pepper spray and you handle them from a distance. Keeping in mind, certain pepper sprays outside, the wind will blow it back in your face because they're light mist. So always get the ones with a stream spray if you're outside, okay? And then the last thing, thinking about if you're getting in the back seat of your vehicle and you're putting your child in the back seat, what I want to point out is a lot of mamas will lean over the car seat with their back to the world, right? And they're putting their child in the car seat. The challenge is you can't see what's going on around you as well, right? And your back is to everything. So what I actually suggest, even if you have two car seats in the back, you actually get in with them. So get all the kids inside, you sneak in as best you can, shut the door, and actually have your key in your hand and lock the doors. And then I keep saying plug your kids in. That's not what I mean. Strap your children in their car seats and make sure that they're safe while the car doors are unlocked. And then instead of unlocking all the car doors and getting out, then you manually unlock the one car door and get out. And then obviously do the same to get into your driver's side. So get into the back seat if you possibly can with your children to put them in. So if you have one child, for example, and the car seat is over here, then you get in through this side and put your child in the car seat with all the doors locked, and then you get back out to go into the driver's seat. So I hope that helps. It really, really, it feels vulnerable, right? As a mom, to have multiple children, they're distracted, they're running, and you feel like you're herding cats sometimes, right? It is so important to have some plans, some pre-planned responses to how you would handle that situation, but also play with this and practice with your children. And the younger the children are, the more fun you make the situation, okay? So you make the role playing very fun, so they don't get scared, and you have to go to their brain development level. So I hope that helps. Please let me know if you have any more questions. I have so much information on this topic, but I wanted to give you my top tips so you can keep you and your family safe. I love you so much and have the most beautiful day.